Hello everyone, this is Avijit here and welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. In the previous video, I was made this origami rabbit and this video link in the description below. First, take a 12 into 21 centimeter craft paper and mark the measurements. Now cut the lines as shown. And fold the other lines as shown. Atlas join using glue. Now the pen holder is ready. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.